Hi, I'm Nitin Thomas, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of SQR Systems. We built the Cirrus platform to provide organizations with a way to deploy security to enable communications more freely. We believe in empowering organizations to take control of their data and privacy on any application, platform, or infrastructure. With so many organizations supporting remote working and use of personal devices and applications in the workplace, it's become increasingly challenging for organizations to achieve effective security and compliance on an infrastructure that they effectively don't control. So Cirrus is a proven layer of security that can be integrated easily across an organization to ensure that there is consistency of security and compliance across all channels of communication. To achieve this, we have a number of different products. We have the Cirrus app, that's a free to use app for voice, video, and messaging with enterprise grade security built in. Then there's Cirrus Enterprise, which provides all of the infrastructure for an organization to set up and run their own secure communication service that they control themselves. We then have the Cirrus SDK, an API product that allows new products to be built with security by design with minimal coding and development. And then the Cirrus Connectors product acts as a gateway to allow organizations to communicate over any channel like WhatsApp or Microsoft Teams or Wickr or SMS and so on, to enable users to choose an app of their choice while ensuring that the enterprise remains in control of their communications. And finally, the Cirrus Lens product takes the same principles of the rest of the Cirrus platform and it applies it to documents to protect them wherever they go. So using this capability, even if a document is stored in an unprotected device or sent over an unsecured channel, or even if it's printed and left in a train, for instance, you can completely control who has access to the data. Our vision for Cirrus is to make our security a part of the natural workflow in organizations so that we enable security by default rather than by exception. We're partnering with one of the largest smartphone manufacturers and one of the largest tech companies in the world to bring these capabilities to market. So this is the first step in building an ecosystem of products and services that support Cirrus encryption as part of the applications and devices that our consumers are already using on a daily basis. So this will allow us to improve the security and compliance for organizations while minimizing friction for our users who are free to continue using their favorite devices and applications without ever having to worry about security. And that's really our goal, to stop our users from ever having to think about security because we take care of it. The FinTech Innovation Lab has been really useful for our journey because when we started the program, we really had a lot of customers in defense and national security where we first built our technology to address some of the challenges in shifting huge volumes of data over unreliable and untrusted networks. But we didn't really understand how our solutions fit into the financial services sector, which was a bit of an alien world for us. But we knew that we could solve some of these tough challenges, but we needed a bit of help with how to position our product. We couldn't talk the talk. So through the program, we understood how to position our product using the language specific to the financial services industry. We refined our strategy and understood the importance of solving the distribution problem, and through some really important commercial partnerships to help us deliver our capability at global scale. We've also identified a number of new use cases which were previously unknown to us. An example of this is when using this technology for contractors working in a bank. So by encrypting documents using the Cirrus capability, when a contractor leaves the bank, the organization can be absolutely sure that they are able to revoke access to the sensitive data that the contractor might be in possession of. So this was a really important use case that we had no idea about when we first started the program. The relationship with Accenture has been invaluable to us to better understand all of these areas. The depth of knowledge and the resources that Accenture are able to provide are unmatched in any other program that I'm aware of. And the program also has a fantastic network of mentors that have helped us refine our product messaging and use language that's more targeted for financial services, as well as provide valuable guidance on our wider strategy for growth. The most valuable outcome for us from the program has been around the interactions with the partner financial institutions that have enabled us to take a concept and build a strong product roadmap, including an understanding of key integrations that we need to make our platform more relevant for the needs of the financial institutions. Companies would normally spend a fortune on business development to get this kind of access, and the lab has given this to us in a very structured and curated way. So we're going to take all of the learnings from this particular program over the last couple of months and build Cirrus to be an even better platform by making it easier for users to stay secure and for enterprises to deploy consistent security across their organization. We're SQR Systems, and we built the Cirrus platform. Thanks for listening.